Hello, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and it's autumn here in Seattle, and I'm starting to make soups, and I'm going to make lots of soup in winter because it's cold and rainy, and I need comforting hot soup. So I picked up from my local library Japanese Soups, Broths, Stews, and Hotpots by Keiko Iwasaki. I have a feeling most of these are going to be fish-based. I'm a vegetarian, but I like to get cookbooks like this. Oh, it came out in 2021. Because I can customize the recipes myself and make them vegetarian. It's from Tuttle Publishing. And the table of contents are the 5 benefits of Japanese soups, the 4 basic rules for making perfect soups, a glossary, and then fish soups, a chapter that I will skip for myself, meaty soups, I'll make meaty soups for my boyfriend, vegetable soups, I have a whole chapter, quick soups, mini hot pot soups, main dish soups, and late night soups, including mushroom soup. Yum! Okay, why Japanese soups? They're delicious and nourishing. Every soup is prepared using a homemade stock called dashi in Japanese. Soup is a frequent go-to dish in her home, served as a hearty one-pot meal and other times enjoyed as a light supper or after having a few drinks. I want to have a few drinks. The benefits are they're gentle on the body, simple to make, and they're delicious. They can be made using simple ingredients, perfect for weight management. The Japanese know about that. And they have soothing properties. The 4 basic rules. Create umami using dashi stock. Create flavor using seasonings. Create depth using aromatics. And improve the taste with ingredient pairings based on robust versus mild, heavy versus light, or multiple contrasts. So here's create umami using dashi stock. You can use meat dashi, seafood dashi, or in my case, vegetable and seaweed dashi. And here's step-by-step little photos. I love it. Double dashi stock, seasoning with soy sauce, seasoning with miso and salt, aromatic vegetables. Hey, I'm going to learn a lot from this cookbook. I love all the little pictures. Flavoring, etc. Glossary of Japanese ingredients. Living in Seattle gives me access to tons of Asian markets and grocery stores with all these amazing ingredients. So for you guys, here's the fish soups chapter. Spicy scallop soup. Japanese style oyster chowder. Yum. Clam soup with daikon and wakame. Egg flour soup with shrimp and Napa cabbage. And curried soup with squid and mushrooms. Sea bream soup with turnips and soy milk soup with scallops and cauliflower. Now we're into the meaty soups chapter. Cabbage soup with pork meatballs, for example. Spare rib soup with lotus root. Here's spicy soup with eggplant and garlic chives. Peanut miso soup with pork and vegetables. Pork and bitter gourd soup. I could not do that for my boyfriend. He won't do bitter. Chicken wing and daikon radish soup. Chicken and vegetable soup. Now that he will do. Chicken and turnip soup with soy milk. Japanese style beef soup. Notice the portions are a lot smaller than American portions. Here's my chapter, vegetable soups. Cabbage, mushroom, and cherry tomato soup. Mixed bean chowder and egg drop soup with broccoli and leek. And I have all the ingredients for that in my house right now. Napa cabbage and ham soup with ginger. Why is there ham in the vegetable soup chapter? That should have been in the meaty soup. Okay, egg-topped cabbage soup. Enjoying seasonal vegetables in your soups, such as summer vegetable soup, winter vegetable soup. Burdock and taro potage, tofu potage. Quick soup with Mizuna greens. I don't know what Mizuna greens are. Okay. Mini hot pot soups. I love hot pot. Japanese bouillabaisse. Salmon meatball soup. Mountain yam soup. And here's main dish soups. The beauty of slow simmered soups. Japanese onion soup with mochi rice cakes. Minestrone with soba noodles. You know, I wish there was a Japanese soup restaurant near me. Chicken soup on rice. Boyfriend would love that. Tom yum soup. Ooh. Shrimp wonton soup. Glass noodle soup with squid and broccoli. I am not bringing squid into my house, sorry. Miso soup with salmon and vegetables. Barley soup with sweet potato. Oh, that's a nice autumn seasonal one. And late night soups, finishing it off. Mushroom soup. I love mushroom soup. And notice it's not creamy. That's why it helps with weight maintenance. Darn it. Okay, that was Japanese soups. Keiko Iwasaki. I'm definitely looking forward to turning off the camera and going to check this out and making some soup tonight. Thanks for watching. You can see more of our Cookbook Divas cookbook look-throughs and reviews on Facebook, our website, Instagram, YouTube, and we have a podcast too where we gossip about cookbooks. Thanks so much for watching.